How to make your voice deeper on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your voice deeper on Discord. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser, and from here you need to type in the search bar Clownfish Voice Changer. Now that you're here, you need to simply go ahead and click on the official website of it. Now that you're in the official website of Clownfish, you need to simply go ahead and click on download now option. Then you need to simply go ahead and download 64-bit over here. Now, as you can see that the download is now started, you need to simply go ahead and open up the download. And you need to simply install the Clownfish Voice Changer in your PC. Now you need to simply go ahead and open the Clownfish Voice Changer. As you open it, you need to simply go ahead and select Set Voice Changer, and from here you can see the several options. You can simply change it to male pitch, or you can simply change it to female pitch and helium pitch. You can change it to anything that you want. And once you use that, you will be able to deepen voices on Discord as well. And that's it. You now know how to change voices on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.